It is a beautiful morning. The sun is not so bright. The breeze is cool, and there's a gentle rustling sound from the leaves. Everything looks like a perfect morning, which people would love to take a picture and post in their Instagram story. Just like this perfect morning, there is a perfect family. A mother, father, and two kids, Tina and Rohan. Tina is in 8th standard and Rohan is doing his engineering. They are a very happy family of 4. Just like every other day, their mom woke up at 6 a.m. to complete her household work. The milkman did not bring the milk today, so she woke up her son Rohan to bring the milk. As Rohan spent the whole night writing his assignments, he feels really irritated when his mom wakes him up that early. He shouts at his mom and goes out to bring the milk. Due to his frustration, he does not look at the expiry date and picks up the expired milk packets. After looking at the spoiled milk, the mom gets really angry and upset that her kid is not being responsible at all. Tina, who just woke up, asks Rohan what's wrong with him and her mother. Frustrated, Rohan shouts at Tina for not waking up early, and both of them start shouting and fighting with each other, which wakes up their father. His father wakes up with a headache due to their fight and asks for tea or coffee. As there is no milk, the mother prepares ginger tea. Not knowing anything about the milk, the father gets slightly irritated but drinks it anyway. Meanwhile, he calls both his kids and asks them what's the issue. He starts asking about their marks and scolds both of them for not studying and fighting all the time. Just then, he remembers he has to search an important file which he has to take to the office. Getting late for work, he asks his wife to prepare breakfast and starts searching for his file. The mother, being upset since the morning, forgets to add salt in the breakfast she prepared. The father is in a hurry as he is already late. Therefore, he sits at the dining table to finish his breakfast as early as possible. Noticing there is no salt in the breakfast, he shouts at his wife, saying that she is not doing anything properly. He says, "Why can't you take care of things properly? There is no tea for my headache. I could not find my files because you keep changing their location all the time, and there is no taste in this breakfast at all. On top of all these, you cannot control the kids." Mother gets really upset and she starts sobbing and remains in that state of sadness for the entire day. Father goes to the office with an angry face. There is a lot of traffic jam on his way to the office, and out of frustration, he fights with an auto driver for coming in the wrong direction. By the time he reaches his office, the biometric time exceeds and he loses his half-day pay. He even makes his manager wait for him as he has the important file which needs to be presented to the clients. The manager, looking at the time and impatient clients in his cabin, scolds the father for being late. Rohan goes to college but forgets to take his assignments with him due to the fight with his sister. He informs his lecturer that he wrote it the whole night but forgot it at home, and of course, the lecturer does not believe him, thinking he just came up with an excuse. The lecturer marks him absent and punishes him by asking him to write assignments twice. Tina goes to school with a sad face and gets greeted by her friends with smiley and happy faces. It is the birthday of one of the girls, so they are too happy to notice that something is wrong with Tina. As Tina is upset, she doesn't wish her friends back. Seeing this, not understanding that Tina is upset, they don't invite Tina to the celebration in the canteen. In the afternoon, Tina finds herself alone during the lunch break. She finds all of them in the canteen celebrating the birthday party. Tina gets upset because they did not invite her and leaves the canteen angrily. Today, the perfect and happy family is upset and angry with the circumstances they encountered and had to face the outcomes. One person's mood affected all others and created chaos in everyone's life. We come across similar situations in our families or people around us. What had caused the happy family to go through this distress? Is it their circumstances or their response to those situations? How did this family deal with the circumstances? Is this the ideal way? Do you think there is any solution to this? If we can deal with the circumstances in a better way, how would you feel if we say there is one thing which could have avoided all these mishaps in this family of 4? Yes, we are talking about emotional intelligence, a powerful tool to carry with us. It can dramatically change our outlook towards life. Let's take a look at the following videos that can help us understand what this emotional intelligence is and how we can include it in our daily life to improve our personal and professional relationships.